Hey everybody, how's it going? This is just going to be a quick little video about how to change the cabin air filter in just about any Toyota or Lexus that they make nowadays or have for the past 20 years. So for the most part, just about all the Toyotas and Lexuses are like this for the cabin air filter. So what you're going to do is open up your glove box, make sure there's not a whole lot of stuff in there that's going to make it fall down. Now it's kind of flimsy on either side. It's built that way, so you want to kind of push it in and you get these little tabs out. Don't mind the mess. Now once you get your glove box into this position here, you can see this little compartment. It's actually a like a little door. It doesn't look like it'll work this way, but all you have to do is kind of pull on these little tabs up just a little bit and kind of wiggle it, and it comes right out. So you can see here there's like just little tabs here, so it basically just pulls straight out. We give a little wiggle and it'll come right out. So your cabin air filter pulls out just like this. This one really doesn't look all that bad. If I'm going to go ahead and replace it, since this car was smoked in, I want one that doesn't have a bunch of smoke in it. See, normally this is actually fairly clean, but because I can smell cigarette smoke in that, I'm going to go ahead and change it with a new one. You just pull it out. There you go. Go ahead and grab your new filter. The one I got is like a carbon filter with baking soda in it. And you're just going to put it right back in, like so. And it's pretty flexible, so just kind of do what you need to with it to get it down in there. Alright. Once you get it in, just slide it back over in there. Put your cover back on. It actually tells you which way is up. And that's it. Put your glove box back together and you're done. All right, everybody, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully I helped you out. If you own a Toyota or a Lexus, make that process a little bit easier for you. So if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, throw me a comment below, and watch a couple of my other videos that are popping up in front of your face right now. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.